Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we'll read about probability relating to playing cards. Okay. Now here I have taken a pack of playing cards. Okay. First of all, let us see what are the different types of cards are present in this pack of cards. Okay. Now look here. So there are mainly 4 different types of cards are present. Some of the cards have this type of symbol. So this type of symbol is known as diamond. Okay. So let us separate these diamonds. So these are 2 diamonds. This is 1 diamond, another. Okay, now we have separated diamond cards. Okay, now this symbol stands for heart. So this type of card is known as heart. So let us separate the hearts. Now these are the cards which contains heart symbol. Okay, so let us separate them. Okay, now we have separated the cards which contains heart symbol. Okay, now this is another type of card which contains this symbol. This symbol is known as club. So let us separate it. Okay, now these cards which are left in my hand. Now look here, the symbol here looks like a spade. So that is why this type of cards are known as spade. Okay, so these are the cards which contains the symbol spade. So that is why they are known as spade. Okay, spade cards. Now we have separated all the different types of cards into 4 separate groups. Okay. Now let us count how many numbers of cards are present in each type of cards. Now spade, how many spades are there? Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 number of cards which contains spade. Okay. Now similarly, if you count these clubs. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So this is also a group of cards which contains club. Okay. Now similarly, if we count diamond and heart, they will also contain 13 number of cards. So this group of cards represent heart. Now this is also a set of cards which are diamond. Okay, which contains diamond. Now how many total number of cards are there? So this is 13, this is 13, this is 13 and this is 13. So 13 into 4. So that means total 52 cards are there. So in a pack of playing cards there are 52 numbers of cards. Okay. Now suppose now if I ask you that how many black cards are there, you can say spade, it is 13, and club, there is also 13. So total black is 26, 13, 13, 26. So if a boy is asked to pick out one card randomly from the pack of 52 playing cards, then what will be the probability of getting a black card? Okay, since black card is how many are there? 26. So total is 52. So we will divide 26 by 52. So that will be our probability of getting a one black card. Now the question may arise in your mind that why we should take 26. Now look here, we know probability of any event is nothing but total number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Now favorable outcomes, now let us see. Suppose now here you see here clubs, so there are 13 clubs now, and spades are also there are 13 cards which contain spade. Now if the boy will select any one from these cards, from these black cards, then we can say that he has selected the right one. That means he can choose any one of these cards in 26 ways, because there are 26 cards, so he may select this one, this one, or this one, or this one, like this. So any of these cards if he will select, so he has total 26 number of favorable cases, means he may choose one card in 26 ways. Okay. Now, so this is the favorable number of outcomes. Okay. If he will choose this one, then that will be not favorable. Only if he will choose one card from this, then that will be favorable. Okay. But while selecting the card randomly or blindly, he may not select this one. Okay. He may not select this one, but the favorable cases is 26. He may select or may not, but the favorable or the possible, you can say, which he can get according to the question, then you can say there is only 26 possible cases. So that means the total number of possible outcomes is 26, and why will take 52 as the total possible outcomes? Because while picking up the cards, one card, he may select any card from any card from heart, or any card from diamond, or any card from this one, or from spade. So that means there are 52 cases. He may pick any card, any one card from out of these 52 cards. So that means there are 52 possible cases. Okay. So that is why total number of possible outcomes is 52. So if the question is asked that if the boy is allowed to pick one card randomly, then what is the probability of getting one black card? So that will be 26, because 26 is favorable number of outcomes. So 26 by total is 52. So you divide it, what you will get? You will get, if you will cancel this one by 26, so this will be 1 by 2. So this is our probability of getting one black card. Okay. Similarly, if the question is asked that what is the probability of getting one red card, then you can say that is also 13 and 13. So 13 heart and 13 diamonds. So that is total is 26. So 26 by total possible is 52. So 26 by 52 you will get the same result. Okay. Now guys, let us take any one type of cards. Okay. So here I have selected the spade. Okay. Now look here, you know there are 13 number of cards in each type. So in spade also there are 13 number of cards. Now look here, look at these three cards. These three cards contains a face, while the rest of the cards do not contain face in spade. Okay. Now here look at this picture. So this is the picture of a queen. Okay. So there is a face. So this is also known as face card, and this card is known as queen, and it is represented by the symbol Q. Okay. Now this card contains face. Now this is the face of a king. Okay. And this card is represented by K. Okay, K stands for king. So there is also a face. So this is a face card, and here this is the card which is known as jack, and it is represented by the letter J, and there is also a face. So that is why this is also a face card. So you can say there are total 3 face cards in this spade. Okay. Similarly, in club also there are 3 face cards. This one, and this one. Okay. So there are 3 face cards. Okay. Similarly, in red and diamond also there are 3 face cards. Okay. Now here in diamond there are 3 face cards. Here in heart also 3, club also 3, and in spade also there are 3 face cards. So how many face cards are there total? Total face card is 3, 3, 3, that is 12. So 12 number of face cards are there. Now if a question is asked if a boy is allowed to pick out one card randomly from the pack of 52 cards, then what is the probability of getting a face card? Now you can say, if he is interested to find a face card, then you know there are how many cards? There are 12 face cards. So that means he may choose any of the cards, any of the face cards in 12 different ways. That means, now look at here, I am just taking it to my hands. Now here you see, so there are 12 number of cards. So that means while picking up the cards, he may pick this one or this one or this one or this one in this way. So there are 12 possible cases in which he will find a face card. Okay, so the possible total number of favorable outcomes is 12. Okay, but while picking up the cards, he may not select, he may select any other cards also which are not face cards. Okay, from any of the cards, any type of cards he may select. So that is why the total possible cases will be 52, but favorable cases will be 12. Okay, so what is the probability of getting a face card now? So favorable number of outcomes is 12, so total is 52, so 12 by 52. Now you just cancel it by 4. So this is 3, it will cancel with 4, and this is 13. So 3 by 13 is your answer. Okay, so this is the probability of getting a face card. Similarly, if a question is asked that what is the probability of getting a red face card, then red face card is how many? So 3, and here is 3. So total 6 face cards are there. So 6 by 52 is your answer. Okay. Similarly, if any similar question is asked by taking black colors, then you can also answer it. Okay, this is very similar to this red one. Now let me erase this one. Now I am taking these diamonds into my hands, so diamond cards. Now look here, in these cards, so these 3 are face cards. Now these cards which contains numbers. Okay, look at these cards. Here these cards have some numbers written on these cards. So 1 is 2, here 2 is written, here 3 is written. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this way they are written. So some number is written on these cards. While this one is a different type of cards in which there is no numbers are written and there is also no face, only A is written. So A stands for S card. Okay, so this is S. So in diamond there is one S. Similarly, in each type of cards there is only one S. Now look here, here in heart also there is one S. Now in club also there is one S. Look at here, S. Now in black also there is one S. Now total how many S cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now if a question is asked, if a boy is allowed to pick up one card randomly from a pack of playing cards, then what is the probability of getting one S? Now since there are 4 S's are there, so the total number of favorable outcomes is 4 and total number of cards is 52. So the answer will be 4 by 52. Okay, then what will be the probability? So 4 by 52, that means it will cancel with 4, so it becomes 1 by 13. So this is the answer. Okay. Similarly, if a question is asked, if the boy is allowed to pick one card randomly from the pack of cards, then what is the probability of getting one red S? So red S is how many? 2. This is black only. The question is asked about red card only. So the red S card is only 2. So the probability of getting one red S card is 2 by 52. Okay. Let me erase this one. Now again I am taking these diamond cards into my hand. Now look here, this is as, just remove it, separate it. Now these are the face cards, so also remove these cards. Now in my hands, so there are certain cards in which a number is written on the top of the corner, left corner, and in the bottom right corner. A number is written. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a number is written on these cards. So that is why these are called as number cards. So how many number cards are there now? From starting from 2 to 10. So that means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 number of number cards present in each category. That means in diamond 9 number of cards. Similarly in a hat also there are also 9 number of number cards, and in club also 9 number of number cards, and in spade also there are 9 number of number cards. So total number of cards is how many? 9, 9, 9, 9 into 4, that is 36. So if the boy is allowed to find out or to take out one card randomly from the pack of 52 cards, then what is the probability of getting the number card? Okay, now number cards is how many? So 36 numbers are there, favorable outcomes are there. So the probability will be 36 by 52. Okay, now if you will cancel it by 4, so you will get 4 9s are 36, and this is 4 13. Okay, so 9 by 13. So this will be our answer. Okay, now this is the probability of getting a number card from the pack of playing cards. Okay, now if the question is, if the boy is asked to take out one card randomly from the pack of playing cards, then what is the probability of getting a number card which is black in color? Then you can say black in color is only club and spade. So that means 9 number cards from club, 9 number of cards from spade. So how many total? 18. So your answer will be, total number of outcomes is favorable outcomes is 18, and total number of outcomes is 52. So 18 by 52 is your answer. Okay, now you may cancel it by 2. So this will be 9 and this will be 26. So 9 by 26 is your answer. Okay, now guys, we'll consider about a different question. Now look here, you know there is one king in each type of card. In spade there is one king, in club also there is one king. Okay, this K symbol stands for king. Now in a heart also there is one king, and in diamond also there is one king. Okay, now how many kings are there? 4. Now if a boy is allowed to pick one card randomly from these pack cards, then what is the probability of getting a king? Now if the question is like this, then the total number of kings is 4. So that is why the total the favorable number of outcomes will be 4, and the total number of possible outcomes is 52. So your probability will be how much? Your probability will be 4 by 52. Okay, 4 by 52. So now you will cancel this one, you will get 1 by 13. So this is the probability. Similarly, question may be asked about queen or jack like this. Okay, I hope you will like this video. If you really like this video, then don't hesitate to subscribe this channel, because your support is very much necessary to us to grow. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.